Hey guys, me Misha here. Let's prep for the Monday. Everything I say is not financial advice. Trade responsibly on your own. I don't have nothing for tomorrow. That's my long terms. Yeah. No, I mean I shouldn't be like looking for anything here. I should not. Yeah. Intel, God knows what it's doing. Neft. This guy. Okay, Mosanergo. Yeah. This guy. What am I looking at? Unvolume spring. What am I expecting it to do? To bump like crazy? Yeah, this is all short. Yeah, like volume distribution, no. Volume distribution on daily is all short. Yeah. It's all short. It did its move from 0.5, and that's it. Just gonna let it go. Nornickel, Gazprom, Cisco, Mitsubishi, General Motors. Leaves me behind. For whatever reason. For whatever reason. Maybe for the reason that I should not be like even touching it here. Is this volume on up thrust? What am I trying to do here anyways? This volume. What am I trying to do here anyways? Let it come to 0.5 at least. Volume. Toyota. It was a balance here though. That's where an actual balance began. Not necessarily. Regardless, that was 1, 2, 1, 2. So why am I? Yeah, I'd rather wait for it to come to 0.5. We need it here. Sorry. Oof. Right in this level. Microsoft. Uranium. Ketchup. McDonald's. Why is it on my daily watch? Anyone knows? If it comes here, yeah, so no. It's in a good place on monthly, but on daily I have no chance. Just to pick it up from monthly. Maybe from 0.5 for a quick hourly trade after a volume like this. Maybe not. Yeah, maybe not. Damn this volume. Just a quick hourly trade. Just a quickie. Just a quickie. Comcast, same deal. When it comes here, it's gonna be what? Yeah. Pfizer. And Dallas. Yeah, no, that's. And then. a monthly watch. At best. It's all above us now. Yeah. It's all above us. Oops. Why do I bother myself with UPS? Let it go. Let it go. 10, 10, 10, 10. Huh. Same deal. 1, 2. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah. Why am I even looking at it? Anyone knows? Is there any reason I'm looking at this stock that is going to die? Costco, so high up there. Stay on hold. Oh, that's our monthly watches. I think it's more like this after this volume. Nike. Thanks God I'm out of Eli Lilly. That could have been a disaster. Yeah, I don't know, guys. I don't have nothing for tomorrow. Maybe I should start looking for my stocks. We need volume by price. Volume by price. And we need United States. Ginger Metal Lily, I have Progressive, I have ADP, I have MasterCard. What is this guy? Okay. Welcome to the club. AFL. You know, doesn't look terrible. Fantastic. Oh, and by the way, we don't do OTC, over the counter. $74 billion with 500 employees. Senior housing and healthcare properties. They don't grow though. This stock is going nowhere, so. Hey, wait. That's not what I meant. Yeah, that's over here, and rock up, and then it's like in this horrible balance for its entire life. It was in this 10-year balance, just going nowhere. And it's still there. I mean, nowhere. Not sure why I even bother charting it, but you know, oh, it changed the directionality actually here. Doesn't matter, it came to balance here. No, I shouldn't even touch this stuff. Goldman Sachs, General Dynamics, PayPal. Ooh, how did PayPal get off my list? Anyone knows? How come PayPal have like 27,000 employees? And that senior watch has like 500 with the same capitalization. Oh, how did it make on my list then? Okay, oh, that's why it's not on my list. Hold on, give me a sec. Got some sunshine. Got some sunshine. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Intercontinental Exchange Incorporated. Yeah. Mortgage. Atlanta. Okay. At least this stock moves. Oh, there was here was broke, and then Jun goes up, and goes up again. It's all-time highs, right? Oops. I did it again. You baby. Oops, I think I'm in love. Yeah. All-time highs. Beware. Good volume though, and this volume looks like long ever since here. So this guy, it's actually not bad. Nice. I think it's been on my watch list. Why? How come? Maybe. How come it's not? RTX. These guys are greedy, like less than a 1% in dividends. I'm not even sure if I should bother. And yeah, definitely I should not be trying to pick it up from here because of this. I don't want to get stuck. Is my system of trading, with my rules of trading, I have to impose on myself for now. Well, this stock moves. It just wasn't doing well. And ever since here, you could have charted it independently. When I say you, I mean myself. Just talking to myself. So never take it personally. Because I'm not even talking to you. That was mean. That was mean. Sorry, that's a cultural thing. Yeah, I get it, blah blah. Just stop it. Now you guys know how much I love kids. Kids are good when they're neighbor kids, you know? Not eating up your brain. Okay. Philip Morris I have, sure enough. Well Tower. There's a lot of stocks I don't have. Again, like 70 billion cap, 500 team, please. I'm like, what are you guys doing? Toledo, Ohio. Healthcare infrastructure company. It invests. Oh, it's an investment company. Senior housing. Again, you see senior housing. Quite a business. But also their market cap can be like very misleading. Is the word I'm looking for. You know what I mean? It looks very similar to that stock, you remember? Same, like, bore me to death. Balance. So this stock hasn't been moving anywhere for like forever. Then I did its share of crisis in 2020 when everything collapsed. And it's been this. So yeah, I wouldn't be like overly enthusiastic about this stock right now because it made its way out of this abyss. Then the biggest volume comes here. So concurrently, this is the place to even start thinking about this stock. You see, but also it bounced. So we'll put it on the list, but till better times. Altria Group, we have it. No, I don't. I'm Verizon, Nextera Energy, we have it. Duke Energy, I think we had some jokes about it. Sorry, Duke, but it's not a shortwave, look. So it was really this. Because that's not how shortwave is born anyway, so. This is going from here. Was it in a balance? Doesn't matter now. Yeah. ABT Laboratories. The stock moves. At least it goes somewhere. Down, down, down. Up. Something like this. It didn't recover from its. Was it in a balance? Should have been in a balance somewhere here. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, it's in a balance now. So it's in a short balance. Let's. I don't have T-Mobile. How come I don't have T-Mobile? It pays dividends. I used to have T-Mobile for a number of years. They weren't my favorite, but they're okay compared to others. I don't know how to say it, but there's something wrong about cellular networks in the United States of America. I didn't like it when I came here. It was like, prices are crazy. Oh, it did break here, and it did change. And there was volume. So yeah, something was off. Too expensive, too outdated. It's like, there was always something off with like cellular networks. You remember how late they came to United States compared to that of Europe, Russia, and I'm not sure about Asia, but I think so as well. I remember I was laughing when I was like watching Hollywood movies, and like the Motorola's they've been using, and like in the beginning of the thousands, look like they're from 90s for back home. And I don't need to explain you that generally speaking, America is more technologically advanced than Russia or Europe. But yeah, internet technology and mobile networks somehow are exclusion of this rule. Bank cards too. When I came to United States in 2013, the credit cards I brought from back home, they were all chipped. And I think it's only like in 2016 I started getting first chipped cards here in the United States. That was a gap, like big time. But yeah. don't think anyone should spend more than like I don't know, 20-25 bucks for their cell. So like all these bills like 70-80 bucks, 100 bucks from AT&T per line. It's like just like wait, what do you mean? Are you for real? Yeah. Yeah, that's it for T-Mobile. Colgate we have. Marathon. We don't. Why don't we? Yeah, see, like 60 bill, like 18,000 in place, and those like senior watch investment groups, like 70 billion for in between 500 employees. This business is legit. They should keep it quiet though. Because it's like too good to be true. It's just me, you guys. I'm too suspicious. I've seen life. I've seen shit happening. 70 billions in between 500 employees. I want to see what kind of car did they drive. And I'm sure the headquarters someplace in the United States where you can't even spend that kind of money. I don't want to sound mean about. Is there a term like when you discriminate by geographical, like geographic? Oh gosh, no, I can't do that. But you get what I'm saying. There is like ageist, sexist, racist. There should be something to be said about people like myself, who kind of like, I do not discriminate people by their location, but I have my, what's the English word I'm looking for? Prejudice towards certain areas. So I mean, technically anything that is not LA or New York, Miami or Hawaii is a shithole for me. I'm sorry guys, I'm just speaking my truth. But yeah, that's how I roll. In the United States, there are places out there. No, I'm sure all these places are beautiful, but it's just, I don't know. I like urbanized areas. Like as I'm growing, I like nature more and more. Like I always liked nature, but like I need nature more and more. It's part of my aging process. But yeah. It's kind of in 0.5 right now in an impulse. So this guy technically qualifies for a play from 0.5. What's going on here? Doesn't matter. It did break down, 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 and down again. That was an exhaustion, right? So ever since it broke down here, it went up and made an upthrust. So it was in a I hope I didn't offend anyone who lives like outside of the cities mentioned. And I mean, I hope you're all like mature individuals here to understand that it's like my issue, not the issue of those who live outside of the cities I've mentioned. It's just me being mean. St. Petersburger. I grew up in a big city. I have a think about it, I guess. Uh, yeah. Didn't give us a test though, but here was a. It wasn't that biggest volume, but I think it was big enough for a quick trade. However, and earnings for like the next day, then it didn't give us a test. You can also see there's like a 2-bar spring, because like in old Wyckoff methodology, it's a bearish bar from the close of the previous bar measured, and then test, and I mean it's too high up there to take it like this with the stop here. It's just ridiculous. Yeah, nothing here as well, right? Just going higher, and then it gaps over. So yeah, now it's gone and done. The 0.5 already worked itself. And that's the thing about 0.5. It's a one-time deal. It's like a condom. Don't reuse it. So yeah, now it's gonna go here. This level. I'm doing something wrong with 0.5 on monthly. I was gonna say that this is 0.5, but like you can wait forever for price to come here. So, and it's an impulse, unless it changes directionality. It's an impulse. Newmont Corporation. I don't have it. What do they do? Gold properties containing copper, silver, lead, zinc, or other. Do they buy scrap? What's gold properties containing copper? Do they just like buy like used scrap, or what's the English term I'm looking for? You know what I mean? It looks like they do. And they are like what, 50 billions? Are you freaking kidding me? Let me see. No, mining, of course, mining. Okay. We changed the directionality. Volume buildup is good. Well, the first sign of changing directionality. Jump over creek is weak though. You see, like, close below. Yeah. This is like by the, look, it's just by the book. This volume comes in, and then there's more volume for the spring, and the T1 level is bigger volume. It's just, it's beautiful. It is beautiful what happened here. Tell me it's 0.5 is, oops. Tell me it's 0.5. And it's 0.5, of course. Look at this. That was beautiful what was going on here. Yeah. This is beautiful what is going on here. What was going on here. And oops. Oh, and then monthly. We could have looked for something. Yeah, it didn't give us much. No, it did not. Okay. Guys, I'm getting tired. Let's see one more stock and I'll be gone. Oops, I have it. Alright, let's have another one. Coca-Cola we have. This guy. This barely pays. It's greedy stock. Barely pays dividends. I mean, come on. Come on, Zoetis. 80 billions. And you don't want to pay dividends? And you're paying like what? 1% in dividends? This is called greed. I have one word for you. Greed. Is it a balance? It doesn't matter. Yeah, this is a balance. I have one word for you. Greed. Once I start trading with real stops, like with stock markets, I can do non-dividend stocks sometime. It just doesn't make no sense at this point. So that's where we are. This is where we are. I don't know how to put the 0.5. I'll put it just like as a warning that Misha, if things don't go your way, they can go this way. So think about what you're doing. This is not bad. Look at the spring. Oh, this was beautiful, by the way. This was beautiful, by the way. I hope there were like entries on daily. Now broke up and went down. We can use punctured lines in the neutral zone. Oh, this was beautiful, I'll tell you guys. This was beautiful what was going on here. Multiple opportunities. I could have looked here for the entry, then here. Look, this is alarming. No, not here, not anymore. We have strengths and weakness. It's just like this volume supersedes all the previous volumes, and that's not. This is not namaste. You know what I mean? Because you shouldn't get a bigger volume on correction. It just doesn't make any sense. So yeah, something broke around here. And like in general, this entire this was a correction, and then it, I don't know, no. That's weird. That's weird. Okay, one more. Procter & Gamble we have. Southern Company. Southern, I have it. So now I proved myself not to be the territorialist. You know what I mean? Southern is not my flavor at all, but I have it. I think I have it, yeah. I have Pepsi. Who are this? What's going on here? 0.4 in dividends. No, forget it. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go. I don't have nothing for tomorrow. I have a bunch of trades I'm stuck in. So that's a learning experience, I guess, right now. I don't have nothing on my watch list for tomorrow. So I'll be just enjoying myself, cruising around, maybe looking more stocks, I don't know, prepping. Like, you know, farmer in the winter or a goldsmith in between the fairs. Just getting prepped, observing, learning to sit on my hands, aka 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is a good trade. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, 8 because target just recently went against me just because I was like I wanted it. Half of the trade I took at 2R and I want to milk the other half, so I'm content with it. It's a good trade anyways. But another 8 trades, I shouldn't be stuck more than in one trade at a time. For sure. In one trade that goes against me. I don't know why I keep it on daily. I still love this volume, which is right there. Where is it? Right here. Yeah. But I'd rather should let it go, especially after this volume. Look how beautifully it worked. Look how beautifully it worked. And it came in with bigger volume, look, first. And then now smaller volume. Let's keep it on daily. I don't know why, I just like Pfizer. I'm just fantasizing about Pfizer. Yeah, guys, I'm blank. I'm blank for. It's not even on monthly watch. Bye bye, General Motors. Okay, so I'll leave you at